At Zerpico, we're more than a brand. We're innovators, passionate about merging unparalleled quality with forward-thinking design. In the past, we've reshaped the industry standards, gifting you with the sleek strength of carbon fiber with our Fibers collection, and bringing you the unbeatable durability and lightweight feel of titanium in our Titan V1 and V2 collections. Each pair is a testament to our commitment to redefine the way you perceive sunglasses, not just as an accessory, but as an extension of your personality. Today, we take another step forward in our journey. Allow us to introduce you to our latest creation, a sophisticated fusion of nature and modern ingenuity, the Eyewood reinvented V2. Eyewood V2 symbolizes the harmony between high-quality acetate and sustainably sourced walnut wood. The acetate provides lightweight comfort and the opportunity for vivid color patterns, whilst the walnut wood graces each pair with unique, eye-catching patterns. Each pair is as individual as its wearer, creating a perfect symbiosis between nature's artistry and Zerpico's craftsmanship. Innovation with Zerpico is not just skin deep. Our Eyewood V2 boasts a new, revolutionary lens-changing mechanism. Now, you can adapt to your environment or switch up your style on the go. Inspired by our popular Titan V2, the mechanism is designed to be as simple and hassle-free as possible. The magic of Eyewood V2 is in its intricate details. Each pair is fitted with hyper-extendable OBE hinges, promising a custom fit for every face shape and size. Experience the perfect blend of comfort and style that is adaptable just as you are. From blue light lenses designed to shield your eyes during screen-heavy days, to regular lenses for everyday wear, Eyewood V2 is about choice. And for those requiring prescription lenses, we've got you covered. Switching to prescription lenses is as simple as changing outfits. With a wide spectrum of changeable lenses ranging from polarized and photochromic to non-polarized and gradient lenses, we ensure that your vision is catered for in all circumstances. With Eyewood V2, your glasses adapt to you, not the other way around. Today, we reach out to you, our Kickstarter community, to bring Eyewood V2 to life. As a backer, you'll not only help usher in this revolutionary product, but you'll also be among the first to own Eyewood V2 at an exceptional discounted price. We invite you to join us in this exciting journey. Together, we can redefine the role of sunglasses. Let's envision a brighter, more stylish world through Eyewood V2. Zerpico. Exceptional is in our nature.